The battle for Bengal continuing to be bloody, and these images we're about to show you could be disturbing. Gruesome incident that's been reported. A BJP worker and his aged mother were brutally thrashed in Bengal's North 24 Parganas district. The BJP has accused the ruling TMC of being involved in this incident. This took place at around 1:30 a.m. when the victim, identified as Gopal Mazumdar, and his aged mother were at their residence in North Damdam city. The accused hit the victim with their gun and also pushed his 85-year-old mother, following which they sustained grave injuries to their face. The aggrieved BJP worker claimed he and his mother were attacked by TMC goons. He's also lodged a complaint with the police. As tensions prevailed in the area after the assault, police was deployed at night to ease the tension. The Saffron Party, the BJP, has claimed that the area has been terrorized by TMC goons. The Trinamool Congress has denied the allegations. They claim that BJP is behind such incidents to try and malign the TMC and show them in a bad light.
কাল রাত একদম 15 নাগাদ হঠাৎ দিকে লাঠি দিয়ে এই দরজাটা ভাঙে, তৃতীয় দরজাটা ভেঙে আমাকে দিয়ে বলে হ্যাঁ বিয়ে আমার একটা গালা নোংরা কথায় গালাগাল দিয়ে বলে বিয়ে মারাচ্ছি। তখন আমি ওকে বলেছি আমি যদি বিজেপি করি তাহলে তুমি কি করো, হ্যাঁ আমার বিজেপি করার কি অপরাধ। তারপরেই দেখি আমার ধুমধাম করে মারা আরম্ভ করলো, হঠাৎ বড় একটা বাদ দিয়ে বাড়ি দিল।
यहाँ पश्चिम बंगाल में हिंसा का नंगा खेल खेला जा रहा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता मारे जा रहे हैं, पीटे जा रहे हैं। हमारे 130 कार्यकर्ताओं की हत्या हुई है, बलिदान हुआ है। उनका बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा। टीएमसी का मतलब ये हो गया तोड़ो मारो काटो। पूरे पश्चिम बंगाल को तबाह और बर्बाद कर दिया ममता दीदी ने।
ऐसे कोई झंझट में, माँ बेटा की झंझट में, पारिवारिक झंझट में हमारे तृणमूल अभी जाना बंद कर दिया क्यों इलेक्शन शुरू है। ये सरासर गलत है तृणमूल के खिलाफ बोलना, और ये अपनी पार्टी के अंदरूनी मामला है बीजेपी का, इसमें तृणमूल का कोई लेन देन है।
Let's take this across to Prema Rajaram, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Prema, what are the latest updates on the investigation front? Is this indeed a case of political violence?
Well, the family alleges that this is the Trinamool Congress that is behind this because they are BJP supporters. Both the mother and son have been supporting the Saffron Party for quite some time now, and the family claims that it is because of their support to the Saffron Party. 3 men entered their house on Saturday night and threatened them, saying that they were BJP workers, and which is why they were being attacked. So the family said when they filed a police complaint that it is the Trinamool Congress supporters who attacked them. The mother is in her 80s, while the son had to go to hospital for primary treatment. He was later released. The mother was treated at home itself. But clearly this happens when the elections have been announced, and also the BJP has been speaking about pre-poll violence. In fact, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is in Kolkata, and he had also spoken about the BJP supporters, about 130 of them who have been beaten up, and some of them who died. And he says, but their sacrifice will not go in vain. So it's clearly a war between Trinamool Congress and BJP. However, BJP in this case says that it is infighting within the BJP that has led to this, and not the Trinamool Congress behind this attack. Back to you, Akshita.
Okay, Prema, we're seeing a lot of political bickering on this incident, but we're going to wait to see what the police investigation also throws up here. Thanks, Prema, for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.